How much money does a buyer need to come to closing with to buy a home in today's market? This is Rob Hale with Elite Results Realty, and would love to chat with you today about how much a buyer needs to bring to the table in order to purchase a home in today's market. Something that you typically see are your closing costs, your down payment, and any other fees associated with the lender or otherwise. What we're going to take a look today is how that differs in today's market. In every market, you're going to need a down payment. Depending on the loan type that you have, it could be a VA loan with 0 down, FHA with 3.5% down, or conventional loans that can be anywhere from 3% down to any amount that you're looking at. With that will be the minimal down payment amount that you'll be looking at. In addition to your down payment, you're also going to be looking at closing costs. Now, closing costs will include title fees, escrow fees, lender fees, origination points. Those types of fees will be collected at closing, and in today's market, a buyer will be responsible for those, whereas in other markets, many times we can negotiate for the sellers to pay those closing costs. Because of the low supply and how much competition there is for each home, you can't expect to have the sellers pay for your closing costs except in extremely rare situations. Now, something in 2021 that is unique from other times is you also need to be prepared to pay money on top of what the appraised value is. So if a home is going to appraise for a certain number, you have to be prepared to increase that price a little bit above the appraisal, whether that's $3,000, $5,000, $10,000. In a recent situation, we saw it over $100,000 that a buyer was required to pay above the appraised value in order to beat out other buyers. So depending on the situation that you're in, you want to be prepared with sufficient cash so that you can compete against other buyers and beat them. We have great strategies here that we would love to help you to implement to make sure that you get the best home at the best price with the least amount of money out of pocket. If you know anyone who is looking to purchase a home in today's market, please feel free to share this video with them. Reach out to us here at our team. Again, I'm Rob Hale with Elite Results Realty, and I look forward to talking to you soon.
Hey there, Nathan with Waterstone Mortgage. Hope you're doing well. So one thing to think about when looking for a good mortgage lender is you always want to know that you're working with somebody that you can trust and that they can close on time. Just about every mortgage lender can get the same rates these days. We have all the information about what other lenders offer, and we're always good about meeting or beating what other lenders offer for the rate. But the way we work at Waterstone Mortgage is we are owned by a bank, which means that we have plenty of liquidity and we have the resources to be able to close on time. And we also can shop the rate for you because we're correspondent with other major banks such as Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America. And we look at their rates and take whatever the best rate is they're offering and use it for our own rate. But we're still able to give you the best service because we process, underwrite, and fund the loan ourselves. So please be sure to always check with us. I've worked with Rob and his team for years, and the main reason is because they know and trust us, and they know that we'll take care of their clients and we have their best interest in mind. If you have any questions about mortgages or getting qualified for a mortgage, please contact me at the information below. I'm always available by email, phone, or text anytime.